Hey guys, my name's Chris Appleton and I'm here today with Andrea and I'm super excited because we're going to be showing you a really cool hair tutorial. It's called the glass wave. So guys, the fundamental part about getting this really beautiful high shine sleek finish is using the Color Wow Dream Coat. It's my secret weapon. It's kind of what I apply to all heads of hair to get that real intense glossy finish. So what we're going to do is we're going to take sections of hair and we're going to saturate it in the Dream Coat. Now the reason we're saturating it is just to make sure that each strand of hair gets the same treatment from the technology. So now the product's applied, we're going to put a deep side part in the hair. So a great way to find your natural part is just to brush the hair back and then push it forward and let it sort of sit and fall into place. And you usually get a really nice clean part, but one that tends to sit to suit your face shape. So that's always my little trick. Okay, so now what we're going to do is blow dry the Dream Coat into the hair and you're going to see the transformation of texture. Okay guys, so once you've done that, the hair's dry and ready to be curled. So what we're going to do is we're going to be curling the hair in the same direction. So I'm going to keep it really easy. I'm going to use the beach waver. First of all, mist the hair with the Color Wow Cool Favorite hairspray. That's just going to give us some extra hold. Now this is the beach waver. It's super easy to use on your own. It has a rotating barrel, left and right, so it kind of takes some of the hard work out of it. We're just going to clip in the ends and then we're literally going to roll the hair up. I know, so easy, right? And then you just press and hold and then you get that nice kind of bouncy curl. Now we're just going to make sure we do that in the same direction around the hair, because when we come to brushing the curls out later, we need to make sure the curls are going in the same direction so you get that S pattern. Okay, so my top tip for brushing out the curls and to control it is use the Color Wow Cult Favorite hairspray. This is like an amazing hairspray at giving you control and hold, but it won't dull the color and it won't leave any residue in your hair. So that's why I really, really like it. But what I always do is I apply it to my brush. I don't apply it to your hair. So saturate the brush in the product like that. And then what we're gonna do is basically just get in there and start brushing these curls out. Now, don't be afraid, and if it does start to kind of gather volume, it's fine. Just keep brushing and just keep spraying. Do you mind spraying my brush? We can work together on this. Dream team. So what the hairspray does is it just starts to sort of make the hair fall together and form in place. And you should see that as I start brushing it, these waves start to fall into place. My kind of secret tip is to always brush the hair away from the face. And then once the waves are starting to fall into place, I pull it forward because it gives you that really romantic look. You're like, how much are you putting on? But you can really, you can really layer this up. But you know, because it's on the brush, it really kind of dilutes it and distributes it nice. Whereas if I sprayed it directly to the hair, then you'd get a real like stiff, like wet like, you know, exactly. But if you put your head to the side, you'll start to see, guys, that these waves start to like fall into place, but you've just got to keep brushing it in. And at this point as well, if you want to, sometimes I get clips and just clip it in here and clip it in here where the indentations are, just to basically help set the hair into place. So guys, at this point, what I like to do sometimes is if you do have these flyaways, is to actually just use the beach waver over the top just to settle down any loose hairs. So you just basically almost use the beach waver like a brush and you just kind of go over the top and it will just flatten out any of those awkward flyaways just to give you that real sleek finish. You look amazing, super hot. I think you should finish by adding like a red lip, right? I think that will like finish the look off because this is like a real femme fatale, glam, sexy vibe. So guys, I think this look is super rich and expensive looking. That's why I love it so much. I think you should try it at home to get that real kind of glam look, but it still looks cool and modern because it has that immaculate shine and finish to the hair. How you feel? Yeah, you feel good? You look great.